and hear the lone curlew call, the rose tapping light on the casement, and God blessed peace over all. It's there that my thoughts ever linger, no matter wherever I roam. I ask not for fame nor for fortune, just give me my own Leitrim home. She more wakes up in the morning, all clad in her mantle of grey, Sleeving Aaron smiles down on the Shannon to wish it Godspeed on its way. Lochgill with its castle-crowned island, that bright sparkling gem of the west, she behops like a fond loving mother as she clasps Finn McCoo to her breast. It's there that my thoughts ever linger, no matter wherever I roam. I ask not for fame nor for fortune, just give me my own Leitrim home. Oh, the joys of an old Leitrim cottage, the cold winter nights come along, and the neighbors troop into the kitchen to fill it with laughter and song. The Shanachie sits in the corner to tell us of days that are past, while the vanity's wholehearted welcome takes the chill from the cold winter's blast. It's there that my thoughts